Mark your calendars. Imi Ilonggo Girl will be airing on its new time slot at 9:25 p.m. starting March 10 on GMA Prime. GMA Prime couple Jillian Ward and Michael Sager really learned a lot working in the #1 kilig serye on primetime My Ilonggo Girl. The rom-com series produced by GMA Public Affairs have consistently generated strong TV ratings, and recently, My Ilonggo Girl surpassed a big milestone after it generated 1 billion total online views across all digital platforms. In a recent interview with Mike Gil by 24 na oras, the two shared what they discovered about one another. Jillian admitted that she was wrong about her first impression with her leading man. Sinasabi ko okay siya, mabait siya, pero parang ang boring niya, the star of the new gen said. She added, pero nung nakawork ko po siya, ay, baliktad talaga, as in mali yung first impression ko sa kanya. Sobrang kulit pala ni Michael, tapos madali po siya makausap sa kahit anong bagay. Game siya sa kahit anong bagay, especially at work. Talagang binibigay niya yung best niya. Meanwhile, Michael described Jill as a woman of substance. He told 24 na oras, I was learning throughout working with Jillian is how she is a woman of substance talaga. She is very diligent, and that's something very charming of her. And working with her, ang dami kong natutunan, siguro with her experience dinadala niya. But in such a light way, kumbaga na nandun siya para gumabay, para tumulong. She is very selfless. Fans of My Ilonggo Girl should expect more exciting scenes, especially with the new transformation of Tata, and if she will seek revenge against her tormentors Venice, Myrtle Sarosa, and Vivian, Teresa Loizaga. Jill stated on what will happen next on their GMA Prime series, so tingnan natin kung paano ba siya matitake revenge dun sa mga umapi sa kanya. Ano gagawin niya pag nagkita uli sila ni Francis? Catch My Ilonggo Girl on its new time slot at 9:25 p.m. beginning March 10, after mga batang release.